Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to speaking English confidently in everyday life.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning practical and fun. Hello, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life situations to help you use English naturally.
Today, we're diving into something fascinating, visiting a museum.
Museums are amazing places to learn about history, art, or science, but speaking English there can feel a bit tricky, especially if you're in a new country.
No worries. We'll guide you through every step, starting with arriving at the museum, then buying tickets, and asking about exhibits, with simple phrases to make it easy.
To make your visit smooth, check the museum's website for opening hours and special exhibits before you go. It helps you plan your day.
Ready to explore some history and culture? Let's head to the museum.
When you arrive at the museum, greet the staff and explain why you're there.
Say, "Hello, I'm here to visit the museum."
Or, "Hi, where can I find the ticket counter?"
If it's busy, try, "Do I need to wait in line to enter?"
You might also ask, "Is there a map of the museum available?"
And who can I talk to about guided tours?
A polite greeting helps you start your visit on the right foot. It's best to visit early in the morning or on weekdays to avoid crowds.
Once you're inside, you'll want to buy tickets. Let's talk about that next.
At the ticket counter, ask about admission and options.
Say, how much is the admission fee?
Or, do you have tickets for special exhibitions?
For discounts, try, are there student or senior discounts?
You might also ask, can I buy a family ticket for 2 adults and a child?
And is the ticket valid for the whole day?
These questions help you get the right ticket. Check online for discounted tickets or group rates to save money.
After getting your ticket, you'll want to explore the exhibits. Let's ask about those next.
Museums have various exhibits, so ask about what's on display.
Say, what exhibits are open today?
Or, can you tell me about the art gallery?
For specifics, try, is there a dinosaur exhibit?
You might also ask, which exhibits are the most popular?
And are there any interactive displays for kids?
These questions help you plan your visit. Grab a museum map or app to navigate the exhibits easily.
If you want a deeper experience, let's ask about guided tours next.
Guided tours offer great insights into exhibits. Ask about them.
Say, are there guided tours available today?
Or, what time is the next tour of the history section?
For details, try, how long does the guided tour last?
You might also ask, is the tour included in the ticket price?
And do you have tours in other languages like Spanish?
These questions ensure you get the most from your tour. Book tours in advance, if possible, as they can fill up quickly.
If you prefer exploring alone, let's ask about audio guides next.
Audio guides are a great way to learn at your own pace.
Say, do you have audio guides for the exhibits?
Or, how much is the audio guide rental?
For options, try, are audio guides available in Chinese?
You might also ask, can I pause and replay the audio guide?
And, do I need to return the audio guide before leaving?
These questions help you use audio guides effectively. Bring your own earphones for comfort and hygiene. If you're with kids, let's ask about family-friendly activities next. Museums often have activities for kids, like workshops or scavenger hunts.
Say, are there activities for children?
Or, do you have a kids' workshop today?
For details, try, what age group are the activities for?
You might also ask, is there a family activity guide?
And are the activities free with admission?
These questions make the visit fun for kids. Check the museum's website for family event schedules to plan ahead.
If you're interested in events, let's ask about special programs next.
Museums host events like lectures or art workshops.
Say, what special events are happening this month?
Or, is there a lecture series on science exhibits?
For specifics, try, do I need to register for the workshop?
You might also ask, are events open to the public?
And how can I find out about future events?
These questions keep you informed. Sign up for the museum's newsletter to stay updated on events.
If you want to take photos, let's ask about photography rules next.
Some museums allow photos, but rules vary.
Say, can I take photos in the museum?
Or, are there areas where photography is not allowed?
For specifics, try, is flash photography permitted?
You might also ask, can I take photos for personal use?
And, are tripods allowed in the museum?
These questions keep you respectful of museum rules. Always check signs for photography restrictions to avoid issues.
If you're looking for souvenirs, let's ask about the gift shop next.
Museum gift shops have great souvenirs like books or postcards.
Say, where is the museum gift shop?
Or, do you sell books about the exhibits?
For specifics, try, are there souvenirs for kids?
You might also ask, what are the gift shop hours?
And, do you have any items on sale?
These questions help you find unique keepsakes. Visit the gift shop at the end of your tour to avoid carrying items around. If you need facilities, let's ask about amenities next. Museums have amenities like restrooms or cafes. Ask about them.
Say, where are the restrooms in the museum?
Or, is there a cafe or restaurant here?
For convenience, try, are there lockers for my bag?
You might also ask, is there a coat check available?
And, do you have a lost and found?
These questions make your visit comfortable. Bring a water bottle and snacks if the museum doesn't have a cafe.
If you want to join the museum, let's ask about memberships next.
Museum memberships offer benefits like free entry or discounts.
Say, how do I become a museum member?
Or, what benefits come with a membership?
For costs, try, how much is the annual membership fee?
You might also ask, do you offer family memberships?
And can I use my membership at other museums?
These questions help you decide if membership is worth it. Bring ID when signing up, as some museums require it.
Before leaving, let's thank the staff for their help.
After your visit, thank the museum staff for their help.
Say, thank you for helping me with the exhibit information.
Or, I appreciate your guidance today.
You can add, the service here was really great. Thank you.
If you're happy, try, this was so helpful. Thanks to you.
And I'll be back soon. Have a great day.
A polite goodbye leaves a positive impression. Leave a positive review online if you enjoyed your visit.
Now, let's practice the phrases we've learned today.
Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'm here to visit the museum.
I'm here to visit the museum.
How much is the admission fee?
How much is the admission fee?
What exhibits are open today?
What exhibits are open today?
Are there guided tours available?
Are there guided tours available?
Do you have audio guides?
Do you have audio guides?
Are there activities for children?
Are there activities for children?
What special events are happening?
What special events are happening?
Can I take photos in the museum?
Can I take photos in the museum?
Where is the museum gift shop?
Where is the museum gift shop?
Can you help me with this, please?
Can you help me with this, please? Wow, we've covered so much about visiting a museum in English today.
From arriving at the museum to exploring exhibits and joining tours, you're now ready to enjoy a cultural adventure with confidence.
Remember to be polite, ask clear questions, and check the museum's website for schedules and details.
Practice these phrases and you'll feel at ease in any museum.
These expressions will help you learn, explore, and have fun no matter where you are.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep learning and keep exploring.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.